How's it guys? I'm from Slip No More. My name is Reinhard and today I'm going to show you how to do DIY treatments on your tiles. So first of all, this is our DIY kit that you get. So it comes in a kit already sealed and you've got everything you need inside of it. So I'm going to open it up for you and show you what's inside the boxes. So now we open up the box. Inside the box you'll get the following. You'll get your instructions, which you must always read to make sure that you do the right amount of time on the right tile. Then you get your step 1, which is your cleaner and maintainer. This is what you'll use to clean off any dirt or grime that's on your tile, and it can be used as a daily cleaner as well, in and around the house. Cool. So your step 2 will be the actual treatment that you put onto the tiles. Then your step 3 will be your neutralizer that you get. So the neutralizer is applied onto the actual treatment when it's still wet onto the tile. And then also in the box you get your nozzles that goes onto the containers, and gloves, which is always a very important part because safety first. So let me just put on my gloves quickly. Okay, cool, gloves are on. Now we take each bottle and we put a nozzle on as well. Screw off the cap. Put in your nozzle. And always a good thing, just do a little test spray to see that it sprays. Okay, cool. So now we're going to start with the whole process. So the first thing we're going to do is use our step 1, which is our cleaner. So now you just do your cleaner onto the tile. Spray on a good amount. You can thin it down with water as well, 1 to 10 or even 1 to 20, depending on how dirty the actual tiles are. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a good wash with water and a cloth. Just like this. So if it's a bigger area, you'll obviously use your mop. Just give it a good wash. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then we just take our water and we rinse it off, normal clean water. Give it a good rinse. There we go. Once that is done, then you can take a squeegee and you just wipe off all your excess water. Very important thing to remember. Before you can apply the actual treatment, which is your step 2, the tiles has to be dry, 100% dry. So the squeegee removes all that excess water that is on the tiles. Cool, so once that is done, just take a cloth or a mop if it's a bigger area, and then you just wipe down the actual tiles to take off any water that might be left in your grout lines or anything like that. So once you use your mop and you dry the floor, just give it a few minutes just to dry out properly. Okay, so your second step will be to apply the actual anti-slip treatment. So this, also spray a very good amount onto the tile. And a good thing to keep in mind is you must keep your treatment wet on the actual tile. Don't let it dry and don't let it stay on the tile for more than the time that's specified in our instructions. So always a good thing to keep in mind before you start a job is to always do a test patch, like behind the door, underneath a cupboard, anything like that, and just test how long it will take for you to get the anti-slip feel that you want on the tile. Our time is up with the 4 minutes now, so now we're going to apply the neutralizer. The neutralizer you apply straight onto your step 2, which is the DIY treatment. It goes straight onto it, you don't wash in between coats. So we just put our neutralizer on, also a very good amount of it, spray it on. Good thing to notice when you are doing it is when it's foaming, then it is neutralizing the actual treatment that you applied. And the neutralizer you leave on for 2 minutes. Then you wash it off with normal clean water and a mop, and then you dry the floor off. So what I'm going to do is, after our 2 minutes is done, I'm going to show you the difference between a tile that we treated and a non-treated tile. So our 2 minutes is done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash it off with normal clean water, just a good amount. Wash it off like that. Make sure everything is nice. It's off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to take a normal towel that's not been treated. I'm going to wet it and hold it like that. As you can see, it slides off. So with your body weight that you're actually stepping onto the towel, there's no way that you're going to slip, because this baby shoe here, it weighs almost nothing and it's not slipping on the treated towel. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you want any more information, you can just go to our website. The link will be here as well. Thank you guys.